The FM-150 from FinCorp is a high-output, low-waste foam production system engineered for efficiency and consistency. It can produce between 150 to 250 kilograms of foam per minute, forming rectangular blocks up to 2,080 millimeters wide and 1,250 millimeters high. Thanks to its square, flat-top design, waste is limited to around 5 or 6%, significantly lower than traditional domed systems. Built with a low-pressure multi-inlet mixing head and an adjustable fall plate, the FM-150 ensures uniform density across every block. A fully enclosed foaming tunnel with adjustable sidewalls and a motorized conveyor keeps the production line clean and precise. The pumping setup relies on both gear and piston pumps, ensuring smooth flow for polyol, TDI, water, catalysts, and colors. For added versatility, optional features like the RS system or the flat-top system offer finer production control. Pair the FM-150 with FinCorp's block cutoff machine for straight, precise cuts that further reduce waste. Maintenance is minimal and the controls are user-friendly. The FM-150 from FinCorp is your path to consistent quality, minimal waste, and a hassle-free operation, ultimately taking your foam production to new heights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments.